What's kicking, malumates? Squeeze, squeeze, harassment!
So why stop saying harassment? It scares me.
This week we are doing a custom vehicle wrap reveal on a Ford Mustang 5.0 done by Brendel Concepts. Local guy that is, what does he do?
He builds and flips cars.
Yeah. I guess he started with bikes and now he's moving over to cars.
Yeah.
This was one of his first projects, so it was named Project Inevitable.
Inevitable.
I am inevitable.
Anyways, this was a really cool wrap that we did on this Ford Mustang using KPMF Violacious Blue.
Fallacious
You have to
blue.
say it like it's got to roll off the tongue. Fallacious Blue.
But it's pretty much blurple.
That's the lame way of saying
It looks blurple.
It's a really cool matte satin kind of finish. It has a bluish purple vibe depending on what kind of lighting you're in. All of our reveal photos, it actually looks like a shade
It's
shift
almost
color.
like a shade shift, yeah.
It is beautiful, beautiful color. And then he also had a custom body kit made for the wrap, as well as custom wheels, like whole 9 yards.
It's cool because the wheels that he made it to where the outside of the wheel goes one way, and then the middle of the wheel goes this way. When it's just a
Inception.
it's an optical
It's a
illusion.
circle inception.
Yeah, optical illusion when it spins.
So we actually wrapped this entire body kit in the S-Tech Automotive gloss carbon fiber PPF, aka Clear Bra paint protection film. The
thick
most
stuff.
realistic carbon fiber on the market. You guys already know. We're always raving about it. We also did a lot of really complex little interior pieces as well. So really, really pretty accents in that carbon fiber.
It was
S-Tech.
fire.
It was pretty fire.
Pretty toasty.
Check it out. We hope you guys enjoy.
Yeah.
guys so much for watching our episode this week. We hope you enjoyed us fulfilling our destinies. You know,
that we did.
The shirts say it. If you want to get toasted like we are, make sure you guys go check out Toasted.
Toasted. It's a little marshmallow shop right next to our chiropractor. Fire s'mores.
It's a build your own
It's
s'more.
build your own s'mores. It's the best place ever.
Yeah, it's really good. It's called Toasted over in Gilbert, Arizona.
You can also put it in between 2 cookies, any kind of cookie, and it's amazing.
This guy geeks out over sweets. He is a fat boy. We love you guys to the moon. Where's the moon?
I don't think it's out today.
The moon and back. If you guys want to get a custom wrap, make sure to hit us up at wrapseshaz@gmail.com. If you want to keep up with the dailies, you can follow us on Facebook, Instagram,
Stop.
and Tickety Talk at wrapsesh.az and Vinyl Vixen Wraps. And please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and eat marshmallows. And we'll see you later. Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.
Oh, I lost my momentum.
Get out of here.